Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a no-go zone on TCL Sweeva 6500. To set up a no-go zone, just click on no-go zone in the app, then click on add district. Now you can resize it here, move it however you want. Then click here to approve, and now it's set. You can add more no-go zones, so your robot won't go into some spaces that you want to omit because they may be, for example, dangerous for the robot, or just you don't want them touched. And when everything is set, click on save, and now these no-go zones will be also visible in the standard map. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.